Hey team, welcome back. Today we are reading passage M, grass, from the second text in the Simple Comprehension series. The man cut the grass with the summer sun on his back. It was quiet, deathly quiet. Not even the birds in the tree made the slightest sound. The man knew why. At the base of the tree, hidden by a low bush, sat a tiger. It idly watched the man. The fence between them hummed. Questions. What was the man doing? Why didn't the birds make a sound? Was the tiger aggressive? How do you know that? Where was the tiger? Where might the man and tiger be? Now let's check the answers. What was the man doing? The man was cutting the grass, or we could say mowing the lawn. It says so in the first sentence, with the man cut the grass. Why didn't the birds make a sound? Well, the man knew why. They didn't make a sound because there was a tiger near them. It says, hidden by a low bush sat a tiger. Was the tiger aggressive? How do you know that? No, the tiger was not aggressive. It says the tiger was idly watching the man. Where was the tiger? The tiger was at the base of the tree, hidden by a low bush. Where might the man and tiger be? Well, we can guess that they may be at a zoo or at an animal park, because the tiger is kept behind a fence. And the fence is mentioned in the last sentence. Thank you for your time. How did you go?